beauties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. So let's get started with today's video, which is all about a review of the Stay Quirky mini lipstick. So this brand Stay Quirky is available on purple.com, which offers a variety of affordable makeup. You can check it out if you want. And this is how the outer packaging looks like. Black color ka cardboard box hai. And let's open it, how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. This is how the 12 lipsticks come out, and this is the kit number 06, which retails for rupees 399, and each lipstick is of 1.2 grams. We have 12 lipsticks. This has a shelf life of 3 years, and this is the lower lip biting kit number 06, and the brand has 10 to 12 kits. You can choose according to your wish. And this is how the packaging looks like. This has a plastic packaging which is like black sort of a tray, and इसके ऊपर ये ऐसे plastic का कैप है, and इसमें ये 12 lipsticks हैं. You can see 6 इधर 6 इधर, and you can see this has a variety of colors. And let me show you how the lipstick looks like. And इसमें ये ऐसे नीचे holes हैं. You can fix your lipstick here and take it out easily. And this is in the shade number 10, that is biting not allowed. ये एक दूसरा lipstick है. Just look at it. ये मेरी एक finger से भी छोटी सी lipstick है. And this is so cute, so mini. So this is how the packaging looks like. इसके ऊपर भी ऐसे plastic का cap है. It is very intact, like बहुत loose नहीं है. And you can easily carry this while you are traveling, because this does not need a lot of space in your bag. तो आप easily 5-6 lipsticks carry कर सकती हो. So let me show you how this comes out. This is how the lipstick looks, and this is a purple sort of a color. इधर ऐसे shade number mention किया हुआ है. This is number 10, and let me show you how it swipes. So this is one swipe, and you can already see the pigmentation. The color payoff is so good. And also this says this is transfer proof and waterproof, but this is not transfer proof. Let me show you. मैंने आज भी जो lipstick लगाई है, this is from the same kit, and let me show you if it transfers. Just look at it. It does transfer. इसका प्लस पॉइंट ये है कि ये ट्रांसफर होने के बाद भी आपके लिप्स पर दिखती है. लाइक द पिगमेंटेशन इज नॉट गॉन. बहुत सारी लिपस्टिक्स का पिगमेंटेशन जो होता है, दैट इज लाइक एक बार हमने कुछ खाया, पानी पी लिया, तो दैट इज गॉन. इसमें ऐसा नहीं है. इसमें पिगमेंटेशन कम नहीं हुआ, बट इट डज ट्रांसफर. So this kit has vibrant color ranges. You can wear it for every occasion. Like आपके पास 2 पर्पल शेड्स हैं, लाइक बर्गंडी एंड पर्पल सॉर्ट के शेड्स हैं. फिर 2 मॉव रेड या पिंकी पीची सॉर्ट के 2 कलर्स हैं. देन यू हैव ब्राउन शेड्स. देन यू हैव पिंक बेरी चेरी सॉर्ट ऑफ शेड्स. एंड उसके बाद फिर से पर्पल जैसे कुछ शेड्स हैं. एंड देन यू हैव 2 रेड शेड्स. सो इट हैज लाइक हर कलर के 2 ऑप्शंस हैं आपके पास. 2 ब्राउन, 2 रेड, एंड सो ऑन. ऑल्सो लेट मी टेल यू, दिस डज नॉट कम्स विद अ रिट्रैक्टेबल मैकेनिज्म. दैट इज लाइक ऐसे घुमा घुमा के लिपस्टिक बाहर नहीं आएगा, क्योंकि दिस इज 1.2 ग्राम्स, विच इज अ लॉट. आई थिंक मतलब बहुत टाइम चली जाएगा. इन 12 लिपस्टिक हैं, तो आप आराम से साल भर यूज कर सकते हो अगर आप इसे रोज नहीं लगाते हो तो. बट ये ऐसे जितना दिख रहा है ना, ये इतनी ही लिपस्टिक है, उससे ज्यादा नहीं है, एंड इवन कम भी नहीं है. सो दिस इज हाउ द लिपस्टिक लुक्स, एंड लेट मी शो यू ऑल द swatches. So the lipstick I'm wearing right now is in the shade 7, Angel with Devil's Kiss, and just look at it. Okay, so the next shade is number 24, Want to Get Messy, and this is how the lipstick looks like. So this is a pink sort of a shade. It's very bright. You can see. So this is how the shade looks like. This is the shade number 10, which says biting not allowed. This is a very stunning color, like for the people who wear these kind of bright shades, this is so beautiful. Let's just change this lipstick also, and this is not at all like difficult नहीं है इसे remove करना. This is so easy, and also ऐसे बहुत ज्यादा स्टेन नहीं हो रहा है लिप्स पे, मतलब इजीली क्लीन हो जा रही है. स्वॉच कर करके ना मेरे लिप्स ही पिंक हो गए हैं, लाइक बार बार इरेज करके, बार बार रब करके, they are like a little bit swollen up. So this is in the shade 1, Kiss Me Full Throttle. These names are like very sexy names, I feel like. So this is a red sort of a shade. Let's see how it looks on our lips. Ooh. So this is how the red shade looks like. This is also very bright for me. Again, not my call. And this is also not feeling very drying on my lips. भी dry नहीं है, मेरे lips chapped नहीं हुए. It is feeling so comfortable. Also it's very lightweight. ऐसा नहीं लग रहा कि मैंने अपने lips पर कुछ लगाया है, कोई heavy lipstick लगाई है. No, also it's non चिपकू. कुछ लिपस्टिक्स आर लाइक वेरी चिपकू, लाइक अगर आप यहाँ लगा लो तो यू फील लाइक बहुत छुपक रहा है, बट नहीं, दिस इज ऑल्सो नॉट लाइक दैट. दिस इज अ वेरी गुड क्वालिटी लिपस्टिक. सो if you are someone who want to try a lot many shades together, you can definitely invest in this. These are all the swatches. I swatched all the lipsticks on my hand. These are the shades. I'm not gonna swatch all the shades on my lips as they are hurting a lot. These are the swatches. मैंने सारे swatches नहीं करे because मेरे lips बहुत hurt कर रहे थे. So I am inserting a clip here. को इसे store भी करना है तो this is with a cap which is very easy and you can carry it or store it wherever you want. But इसका जो ये ऊपर का cap है, it's like बहुत ढीला है, तो keep it safely. And this was it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. This was helpful for you, and if it was helpful for you, give it a like, share and subscribe to my channel.